Hey everyone, don't get stuck with a bad rental property. I'm Pierce Fraga with Tide Property Management, and today I want to run through a couple items to keep in mind when it comes to looking for a rental property that fits your needs. First and foremost, you want to make sure that you are aligning the property with your strategy. If you are looking for a long-term hold and you don't care about cash flow as much as you do building equity, that's going to change as opposed to someone who's looking to come in, fix up a property, refinance, and then sell. Both of those are going to kind of lend to different types of properties. So with that being said, some items to keep in mind. First and foremost, maintenance. When you purchase a property, are you going to need to replace the roof, HVAC? What renovations are you going to be doing? Maybe renovating the kitchen and bath, maybe the flooring. All these are going to affect your rental price, and it's going to really, draw to which strategy you want to go with. If you're looking to completely renovate, if you're looking to just get it ready for renting, all those factors come into play before someone moves into your property. Next is considering all the additional costs associated with a rental property. First and foremost, in South Carolina, it's going to go to 6% tax as opposed to 4% if it was your primary residence. This is something to keep in mind. The second item is if you're in an HOA or not. Having an HOA is going to cut on your cash flow if that's your strategy. I know some people that prefer HOAs because they cover external maintenance, landscaping, roof replacement, major capital improvements. It really depends on you and your individual strategy. Next is the area. So you want to make sure you're advertising to your desired tenant. If you are looking for, young professionals, maybe doctors, you're going to be looking more downtown. If you're looking for people working at Volvo, Mercedes, that might be more Somerville, North Charleston. Depending on whether you have a 2-bedroom condo versus a 4-bedroom home is going to kind of determine who it is that's going to be in your property. And each area has its own specific markets, and these are all going to lend themselves to different rental amounts. If you have any questions about the area, what items do you think makes the most sense for renovations to rent the property? Does this seem like a good fit for my strategy here? Please don't hesitate to reach out to us. I'd be more than happy to run through a rental consultation with you and see if it's going to be a good fit or not. I'm Pierce Fraga with Tide Property Management, and we look forward to hearing from you.